on this track, fam.
Hey, what's up guys? Jose here, Autobahn Drivers. I'm with Tyler here.
How's it going, guys?
We're in his Focus RS, which is pretty cool actually. I kind of like it. So Tyler, tell us a little bit about your Focus RS.
Yeah, 2016 Ford Focus RS. She's on Enki NT03s with some pretty aggressive fitment. 18 by 9.5 plus 40 offset. Bit of a monster truck right now. Unfortunately, I have not got coils yet, but we'll see. She has the ETS intake and the ETS Extreme exhaust, so no cats, no resonators for now.
Is that's why it does all the popping sounds?
That's exactly. That's exactly why.
It actually sounds pretty cool. You know, anybody who is walking by, they hear that, they're probably gonna think they need to call the cops because it's gunshots going off or something like that. So, what'd you have before this?
I had a big turbo 2014 Focus ST.
Okay, so you're kind of sticking with the Focus family.
Yeah, I've always been a Ford fan. My first car was a '66 Mustang, so it's always been one of my favorite cars, or one of my favorite brands, I should say.
Well, I'm definitely not biased on Fords because, yeah, I'm definitely biased. All I have are Fords. Yeah, I totally get it. I mean, once you stick to one company, you like it, you keep going on. I'm the same way with my Mustangs.
Absolutely.
But so tell us a little bit about what a Focus RS is. What's the difference between the RS and the ST?
So the Focus RS comes with the 2.3 liter EcoBoost, and it is all-wheel drive. Compared to the ST, it is the 2.0 front-wheel drive only.
Ah, okay. So all-wheel drive, you can definitely feel the difference, huh?
Absolutely.
All right, Tyler, so what are your plans this summer for the car? Is this going to be the first summer with this car?
Yeah, it'll be the first summer for this car. So I've only had the car for about 4 months now. I feel like it's already pretty extreme for most normal cars, but I have some pretty extreme plans in the work. I'm going to get some fender flares for it, put it on coils, big turbo setup from ETS Extreme Turbo Systems, and enjoy it while I can, while I'm still here in Germany.
Okay. So, how about the ring? You gonna take it on the Nürburgring?
Oh, absolutely, every weekend.
All right, that's what I like to hear.
So yeah, that was my second home for the ST. So she was fun around, but all-wheel drive, you just can't beat it.
So, I'm thinking I can get as a passenger on the Nürburgring with you?
You're always welcome. Yes, absolutely.
All right, so you heard that here. So we're gonna do that. We'll get the cameras ready and take it on the ring. All right, guys, we're gonna hop back on the Autobahn, and we're just gonna let her eat, because that's what we do. tell you what, this car right here is so much fun. I mean, it's like an RC car on the Autobahn. I mean, this thing is sick. It's freaking awesome. I mean,
drives on rails.
Yeah, exactly. Drives on rails, and it's so much fun. You can totally feel when the turbo kicks in. It's just like it gets you. So Tyler, I just want to say thanks for being on the channel. Thanks for showing us your freaking awesome RS. This thing is the tits. So I appreciate it, man.
Absolutely. Thank you for having me.
All right, guys, you heard it. You see it here. So make sure to subscribe, like, hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching another episode of Autobahn Drivers.
It's caught in the crossfire. It's caught in the crossfire. It's caught in the crossfire.